Draw Learning. Today we are going to draw a baby rhino while we learn Spanish. We draw the head. Now we draw the ears. That in Spanish is said, orejas. Now we draw the eyes. That in Spanish is said, ojos. Very good. Now his distinctive horn. Let's go with his legs. We draw some grass. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say horn in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now we use the brown, that in Spanish is said, marrón. That's right. Now we use the gray color, which in Spanish is gris. Let's see if you know the answer. Horn in Spanish is CUERNO. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!